Precision engineering demands the best. We need tools that are fast and accurate. That's where Fast EDM comes in. This technology is revolutionizing manufacturing. It allows us to create complex parts with incredible speed and precision. Fast EDM is a game changer for industries that rely on tight tolerances and intricate designs. Think about aerospace components. These parts need to be perfect. Medical devices also demand absolute precision. Fast EDM makes it possible to meet these demands without compromising speed. This technology is the future of manufacturing. So how does EDM work? It's like magic, but with more science. EDM stands for electrical discharge machining. It's a process that uses controlled electrical sparks to shape metal. Imagine a tiny lightning bolt carefully directed to remove material with incredible accuracy. This process creates intricate shapes and cavities in even the toughest metals. Traditional machining methods often struggle with complex geometries. EDM excels in these situations. That's why EDM is used in so many industries. From automotive to tool and die making, EDM is essential. Traditional EDM is great, but fast EDM is even better. It takes the principles of EDM and cranks up the speed. We're talking about significantly faster processing times without sacrificing accuracy. This is a huge advantage in today's fast-paced manufacturing world.
How does Fast EDM achieve this? It's all about innovation. Advanced generator technology plays a key role. So do optimized flushing techniques. These advancements work together to make Fast EDM a true game changer.
Erodex is a leader in EDM technology. They provide cutting-edge, fast EDM solutions to various industries. Their expertise helps businesses enhance their manufacturing capabilities. Erodex understands the need for speed and precision. They have invested in research and development to stay ahead of the curve.
Their fast EDM solutions are used by leading manufacturers around the world.
These manufacturers trust Erodex for their advanced technology.
They know Erodex can deliver the performance they need.
Erodex is truly a partner in precision engineering.